In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog and make money using the Wix blog platform. Blogging is a fantastic way to share your passion with the world and, with the right strategies, turn it into a source of income. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to make a switch to a new platform, Wix provides an easy and efficient way to create a stunning blog. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to create our blog by using Wix's myriad of fantastic templates. To get started, open the Wix platform and navigate to the Explore section. What we want to do here is click on Inspiring Websites. This is a great first step as it gives you a glimpse into what you can accomplish with Wix, and it's filled with creative possibilities. Scroll down a bit to get an overview, and you will notice a collection of various templates designed for different purposes. This is just a waypoint to where we really want to go, which is the heart of Wix's blogging capabilities. Look for and click on the button that says Explore Wix's templates to make your own site. Now we are getting to the fun part. Once you're at the templates section, it's time to specify what we're here for. Find the search box and type in blog, then hit enter. This search will bring up a wide range of blog templates that are specifically crafted to suit various themes and functionalities. Spend some time browsing through the options. Take a look around, explore what's available, and think about the design and layout that will match your style and the tone you want for your blog. When you find a design you like, one that really speaks to the vision you have in mind, don't hesitate to select it. Remember, this choice isn't set in stone. Wix allows for full customization so that you can tweak anything that doesn't perfectly fit your needs. After selecting your preferred template, click on it and then hit Edit. This will take you to Wix's user-friendly editor, where you can personalize every aspect of your blog. Whether it's the colors, fonts, or the arrangement of content, the editor is intuitive and empowers you to fine-tune each detail, ensuring your blog truly feels like it belongs to you. Finally, let's talk about an exciting part of blogging, monetizing it. Once your blog is up and running with compelling content, you can introduce monetization strategies. Options could include affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or even creating a subscription-based model. Over time, as your blog develops its audience, these strategies could turn your blog not just into a platform for expression, but also into a viable income source. That wraps up today's quick guide on starting a blog and monetizing it using Wix. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and continually experiment with what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.